Hello guys, welcome to Civil Concept, and in this video I will show you what is curing and why curing in concrete is important. Okay, so let's start our video. Okay, so what is curing of concrete? The process of proper hydration of concrete or spreading water on the surface of the concrete to maintain adequate moisture and temperature is known as what? Curing. Okay, so when we spread water on the concrete after casting is known as curing. So proper curing of concrete make concrete hard and durable and helps to achieve better strength. Okay, now in question number 2 is how does curing affects the strength of concrete. Okay, so whenever water is mixed with cement, a chemical reaction occurred between the different cementitious materials in concrete. Okay, so this process is known as what? Hydration. So hydration helps the concrete to get strength and be durable. Hydration in concrete makes concrete impermeable. If we do not cure concrete properly, then concrete does not have a way of hydration, which make concrete weak. Okay, so number 3 question is why curing of concrete is important. Okay, so I have summarized some points why the concrete need water and why curing in concrete is important. Okay, so main purpose of curing concrete are given below. First of all, it enhances the strength of concrete by allowing hydration between cementitious materials. Okay, cementitious materials, it is the different component of the cement. Okay, like gypsum, like iron oxide, like sodium oxide, etc. Okay, now in number 2, it reduces the chance of cracking of the concrete. Curing prevent from rapid drying of the concrete, which leads to shrinkage in the concrete, and the shrinkage leads to the cracking of the concrete. Okay, number 3 is curing improves the durability of concrete by increasing the desired strength of the concrete. It improves the permeability of concrete and prevent external environmental factor. Okay, so environmental factors are like sun, wind, water, etc. Okay, now in number 4 is it increase the uniformity of the concrete by allowing chemical reaction due to hydration and make the structure hard and uniformly. Okay, and number 5 is curing helps to achieve desired finish by letting concrete to set proper. Okay, in proper way. Now in number 4, question number 4 is how much water required for curing of concrete. Okay, so the amount of curing required in concrete depend on different factors like environmental condition, water cement ratio, the thickness of the structure. Okay, so this is very important question, that how much water is required for curing of the concrete. According to IS code, the minimum curing time for concrete in winter season should not be less than 7 days and 14 days for summer season. Okay, so when there is cold season, then we can cure at least 7 days, and if there is summer season, then we have to cure it for 14 days. Okay, and after that, question number 5 is what are the methods of curing concrete. Okay, so there are different methods of curing, but here I have discussed 5 important method of curing. Okay, so first number is ponding or water curing. Okay, so ponding is the most effective method of curing concrete. Ponding is done by spraying water directly on the concrete or by surrounding water on the concrete. You can see here this roof has surrounded by the help of concrete and water has poured on it and collected. Okay, these types of curing is known as what? Ponding or water curing. Okay, number 2 is membrane curing. Membrane curing is done generally in vertical member like column and wall. Jute bags or plastic bags are wetted in water and kept on the topmost part of the concrete to cure from time to time. Okay, so you can see this is our membrane curing. After that, in number C is what? Chemical curing. Okay, so chemical method of curing are done where there is a shortage of water. Some special types of chemicals are used in concrete to prevent the water within the concrete from evaporating. Okay, in this method, hydration is done with the help of water within concrete. Okay, you can see here chemical is spreading on this concrete and this is done where there is scarcity of water. Okay, now in number D, steam curing. Steam curing is generally done in precast concrete member. Hot steam is inserted within the concrete to implement a rapid curing process. Okay, you can see this is a steam curing. And after that, in 5 number is what, insulation curing. Insulation curing is generally used in cold weather where concrete does not need more water for completion of the hydration. In this method, insulation materials like plastic, membrane, straw, etc. are spread over the concrete to maintain the temperature within the concrete. Okay, so you can see here there is concrete covered by a plastic to prevent water to evaporate from there. And after that, in number 6, when to start curing of concrete. This is the most asked question, that when to start curing in a concrete. Okay, so the starting time of the curing in concrete depend on the different factors like environmental factors, sunny weather, wind, etc. Okay, but generally curing in concrete can be done after minimum of 6 hours and within 24 hours. Okay, so curing should be done after 6 hours and within the 24 hours. Now curing should be started just after the concrete begin dry. Generally, if we make it late in curing, then there will be shrinkage and cracks in a concrete. Okay, so you can see here cracks in a concrete may generate when we make late in curing in the concrete. Okay, so guys, this much for today. Please like this video and subscribe my channel for new update about civil engineering. Thank you.